kwami nje kubonga chairman wakaHoho Dr. Comfort Chongwe ngibonge na ku Mr. Lucky Phiri ya lichawe leli Mr. Lucky Phiri nasiswami leceleni sibonga kakhulu nje Phamalathi it's one of the is one of lama lokanyana the brand lesevele ihambe kakhulu siyathi sisakhula ke bekunene iPhamalathi sebathi luxuries but Phamalathi nabo solo bayamgcoka I think wathengisa kakhulu lo Phamalathi but nje Phiri ugcoke yona iluxuries but ngiyambona lapha imva Phamalathi so lo ukhona but nje iluxuries sibonga kakhulu sidlalile le tournament lena icover yonke le region from south to north kusuka la Mbabane uyofika eMhlangatana each regional league iyamdlala lo Phamalathi nako nje lokungichaza ngaPhamalathi udlalelwa abantu bonke bakaHo so we are working hard nathi utawusho kweshemen ukuthi sendani but nje kwami bekukudlalela lo ukuthi siyayidlala onke lama regional leagues akaHoho and we appreciate isupport lesithola kubo director balamaqembu alabantwana bo coach badlali nanga nje eAmerica lapha uzukhulele kuyo lento wayicala kadzeni nami bengisemncane ukhulele kuyo lento bosam nalaba bokiwe sebayifakile ejubukweni kuyasebenzeka nje chairman siyethemba lokho ukuthi ndasupporta utawusho ke development officer ukuthi itawudlala kanjani itawucala nini kwami nje ngiloko ngeke ngikhulume emne kakhulu ngoba sine mase sikhona sikhunyelwa ngishemen ukuthi bengi outline la nge development officer